die Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ti hakabanung kong so wan ai kublei yafi baro kublei wan shagani ka press conference jong ni jong ka CLP ni don ki MLA kat ne krui baro nilai don ga jingalang mata kasngi te kane ka jingalang nilai stang na du live je mene janmiet but ngidang syukut mantan bangin ai happy yakani ka press conference hakabanung kong ngi so wan ai kublei ya ka Sorkar ba kala Kloy bahkan wengno ya ka jing pelip ding por menmet kata kemut ban le ka load shedding jong kalai kumaong imadam mentan te ngir ngile tai bha halor kata kamat baong ke gadau ba ka Sorkar kendit ka le ka load shedding anda don ka pressure u nak liang jongi naki Congress MLA bat nak liang ki pajba mentap de kalau weng no ya kata ka load shedding ba ka umdan load shedding show te halor kata ngin hab ya tai bha ban bu kita ki jingkli ha ka assembly ka banwan na du santarik ka ba ar kalong ni so ban ai khublei ru ka Sorkar ba kala penhiar ka dor jong ka umpniang syakat nyu tengka ngengkong ki penhiar tang ar tengka anda lajur ka jingki lajur ka pressure ha ka Sorkar ka hiar syakat nyu tengka ya kata ru ngin hab ya tai bha ha ka assembly ba ke gadau ba ka Sorkar kam sngo thu ye ka jing jong ki pai ba ke gadau ba ka Sorkar ka snap man mata baro arteo hadu la shem jenjar du pai ba khamtam ki reu ki ba chanong pendok tela da shisha ka Sorkar kala don jingmut ban penhiar ka dor kala de ban le na du kitu kisngi nengkong shwa bakan hakipor bakidang susdang kajiki nagini commercial vehicle owners tito wala kala penhiar ka dor nga ni kumning nilai rai mane janmet bangin tho sa chief minister ka chithi baka chithi chief minister kala de poi but hakata ka chithi ni pensngau ka Sorkar ya ka jing bom simkhia jo ka Sorkar ya ka ne ka jing yakhi jong ki taxi owners kadau kalong ba ni la shem jenjar hadu kata ki pajba ki la shem jenjar hadu kata ki nongpang kim yo bakin late hospital ki nong kendong jongi kim yo ban wan ban thit bam thit marbam na sor shalong ti kane baro kalong ka attitude jong ka Sorkar ka ba kam kwa bakan shim ya kanon responsibility ka ap ba hadu banda poi kane ka put ban pen jenjar yo pajba tingi ong ka Sorkar ro ba ni yo sngo naki media ngi sngo naki source jong ki pulit ba somat menta ki bethong ban kem ya kini ki leader jong ka joint action committee bat ki badai ki leader jong kini ki commercial vehicle owners ngi pun sngo kumne nakaliang jong ngi ong bakane ka jing hakhi ka dei ka jing hakhi ka ba kabalong peaceful hadu kata ta ba kumsumdan mano bawan penbor yau pai ba menta arfu saupu pra kenta ngiladon kaban hai saupu pra kenta sumdan uno kan u volunteer lane umdan uno uba pakhang ya ka surok ban ong phimbit ba phinya ka surok kata kamut kalong tang ka appeal kadai ka appeal ka ba ki ai na kaliang ka kani ka joint action committee ti upai ba ula kersyan lang ba upai ba usngo ba dei ka Sorkar ba de ban ngap ban penhiar ya ka dor jong ka umpniang kata kamut upai ba jong ka state ru ukersan lang ya ka jing dawa ban penhiar ya ka dor umpniang te dei hangta upai ba voluntarily sum sei ki kali ban ya te namar kata ngingis ngo ba ban pensitom lane ban penjari da kano ka an ya kini kinong yalam jong kini ki commercial vehicle owners kalong ka bomde te haka democratic process jong kan ka ri jongi kamut mano ro khilahi bakin express ya ka opinion jong ki lane bakin appeal ban shim yakum kata karai ban pelong ya ka strike mata sing sa ai kini linkrop ki city ndrei katkum ka high court order ka ba ngin sa sam chapi haka ne ka high court order ka haka operative portion ka high court ka ongkum neru Kong, even the state government can be asked to pay damages to the citizens if it fails to stop ban, strike and hartal etc. Kata kamot hang ni wat ka sorkaru ka don ka benta ba upai ba ula ba un dawan ka sorkar ba kidi ba siu ya kata ka jinglut te kamut hakan ni kam tadi ni ban be thong igini hre ka kamram jong sorkar kan dei te namar kata ngi kwa ban pensyai mat jong pi ba ngi dawan ka sorkaru ba ka dei ba kan kampun junsur ya ke jingsngau jong ki ban be thong ban kem yakini ki leader ba ngi kwa kumbang ngi le rai mane imadam ru laong ba ngi kwa ba kan don da kenja jing ya sutu lang kade bandon ke jing ya sutu lang bangi ne syong ban ya penbet ya kan ka kam namar da ka bai be thong da ka ba supha kem kalong ke ka ban wanra ya ke jing sosi le se ke jing ya khiru yo kidang por nang ne shakmat tengi kwa ya ke jing suk ha ka state ngi kwa ba baro ki ne syong suk song sain tengi appeal show chief minister ba un khot da ka jing lang ban ya penbet lang rengkat bat kini commercial vehicle owners bat kumjo bat ka sorkar.
Just a bit more.
Tak polisi pun sekali kan bersin. Hata ni ka jing hi ka ba artayo. Nilai ik don ban ke jing ya penibor. Apa ni jong sorkar ban ki Nongniah kali kamai. Bat kini ke jing penibor apa ni juki angut uyap upai ba apa ni. Bat kadon ru kata ka jing penslam yang ni jing ya keren jing ya seperti ini. Entah sila dah sorkar kalau arai dan penihar dah nyut tengkai ka umpnian. Kan EU sorkar bagan cim dengan arai arta Yosua. Kam sim la bagai kini keren shua warna try borok Nongniah kali kamai ki sutu hiru kata bagan lek marmar nu ka kam kulum dei ka besok. Andre banjin dek lakon dulu ni kon kanum dapat Islam haduk kan ni bor pai ba num jenjar haduk kan ni. Arta yo. Bar kadon ru bangi kot kubor ke jing berngan. Bagi Khot ani ki sim ya ni ka benta jong high court order kumbalo ong ni ma sim plan muta. Ba high court order kam keno tang silia. Ba high court order ka kran syai. Baladon kudu nu jing lek bor. Force coercion. Lani kata ka jing pen bor pai ba. Ndai hang ni kam sim don. Arta yo kini ki Nongniah kali kamai kila aipor ek sorkar hadu arta yo. Kalai si kalayat ni kharar si kalayat kata ka jing strike tang dala de klam do pentut you know nama kila syam jing sebab pula nei da ka bapun slam pa kimban si ban kerpat yo pa ba ban sim bentah ni jing khang kali ka ba sabu prakanta de mentah pa ban thong ni kini ki Nongniah kali ya ki nong kamai duasi ya ki bapli ke bele ban pen i so pa ba ke jing jungki ban pen iru so ka sorkar ke jing jungki ban ha ju ko pol ban ra ke jing jung pai ba sorkar ada le ta taru unsa thong no kum ki nong tu nong thiem te kalong ba bakala pala tina ta daw ni kepat sorkar ba kinweng ni kini ki kes ki ba kila mudui persya ya kini ki nong Khot ya kini ka jing khang pakhang kali ke ba sapu pras ni sapu prakanta ba ha ju ko pol ba kin pe ba kini government ya high court order kim de bun shu ai tang stek High court order kam ka keren ya kitu ki kenhun ki ba penbor pai ba ki ba wanra ya ka jingting ik smith ya ka jela ba kowe ki ba penjot ya kinu ki mar simet ya ki yeng lan ni ki sam lan ni kinu ki tiar ki badai jong pai ba lan ni kinu ki public property ani private property high court order ka keren sai lo kata bat ka ba aru high court order ka ong bai ka government ru ngin haban sim ai ki jing clear balanda kibaklah ban peniai ban bakimla ban khang ali pen sange e gini ki bon ta umur ke jing clear ru kale ka sorkar te kata hi kedi ka high court order ndi ban ai tang site te nomor hang ni don arliang mamla te bro arliang ru ni dia ban kini ban siam lang e jing clear na kam ta ban weng mo ya kini ki ko pai ba umat ha gini ski te si ni kepat bro arliang ham tam e sorkar bakan Khot Iakren makin penbet no dolor bagla penhiar ko punya ai bagan ni kan sulong tang sapang kumpunya kani ro di bulong sapang jing jong Nongniah kali kamai jong nong rep jong wipat berengkam ya ke jing sekri jong pai ba nak yang sorkar ba nak yang kali kamai akan jong jela
Debate in the Legislative Assembly session that is coming on the 5th, because there are still so many questions that need to be asked about this sudden announcement of load shedding and sudden announcement of withdrawal of load shedding. So there are few things that we need to put straight. We will discuss them in the floor of the House. The second thing is that we would like to also express our sincerest appreciation to the government for considering the immediate reduction of fuel prices for the state of Meghalaya. 7 rupees is again a huge rebate and a big relief to the public of the state of Meghalaya. Again, we would still be debating on what led to that big rise and what led to the sudden announcement of this reduction by the government on the floor of the House, because all of these are to be understood very categorically. And we need to understand why all these unnecessary actions were taken in such haste and then again were taken out and taken away in such haste. The third thing that we thought we should bring to the attention of the public of Meghalaya is that we, as responsible legislators, are addressing a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister to immediately initiate a dialogue with the commercial vehicle owners. We are calling them the CVOs. We understand that the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act has been invoked and has been executed in this matter. But to us, the public of Meghalaya, this does not look like an amicable solution. There has been no two sides that have come together to understand the problems. And the application of the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act also has a lot of other components attached to it, which if applied to one section of protesters should also be looked at holistically. We will share with you our understanding of the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act. We will share with you the components of the writ petition and the subsequent Honorable High Court order in spirit. We feel that the last 48 hours has displayed a different kind of a protest, where after so many years of not having a protest, we are suddenly faced with another protest. But this protest appeared clearly as a protest where public extended support to the commercial vehicle owners. There was no untoward incident, no report of any untoward incidences. There doesn't seem to be a report of any violence. There doesn't seem to be a report of any occurrence of any act that disrupts public order. So in such situations, we feel that if the public of Meghalaya cooperated with the callers of the 2 days road blockade, we feel that it would be in the fitness of things that this matter should be amicably solved between the government and these commercial vehicle owners. So we feel that the criminal charges that are now being processed need to be carefully studied. Where is the criminality in all of this? We need to understand. So that, when a previous government had thought it befitting to initiate an act of this nature, it should be in the fitness of things carried forward in the right perspective, in the right spirit. We are appealing to the Honorable Chief Minister to reconsider his stand and to call these commercial vehicle owners so that we do not see any offshoot in any form or matter of this disorder that will continue in the days to come. We also appeal to the commercial vehicle owners to please withdraw all future proposals for any organization of any strike or any protest that would involve public at large. So to fill in on more information, I will invite my colleagues to also give in their inputs so that we may have clarity as to why all the MLAs, almost so many MLAs in the opposition are here.